Did you know you can make all of your Enagic purchases online? It's easy, convenient, and quick. Just go to enagic.com/shop. Let's see how simple it is to place an order online. First, go to enagic.com/shop. This will take you to the Distributor Support Portal, or DSP. You may already be familiar with this page. Or, you can go directly to DSP. If you've already registered, just type your distributor ID and password, then click Login. Once you're logged in, click on Enagic Store. This is the page you'll see. Click on Self-Purchase Orders. The system will show your self-purchase details. Now, click Go to Enagic Store. You're now in the online store. For this example, let's say you want to buy a K8 ionizer, but you can also purchase many other products, such as filters and Yukon. Click on Kangen water ionizers, then select the K8 model. Once you're on the product page, you'll see an option to pay in installments. You can click here to see the available plans. Or, if you prefer to pay all at once, just select full payment and then click Add to Cart. Then, scroll down and click Proceed to checkout at the bottom of the page. Now, choose your shipping method. Make sure your shipping address is correct before moving on. Once it's ready, click Next. Then, select your payment method. Your shipping address will appear again. If your billing address is the same, simply check the box to confirm. You can choose to pay with multiple cards. After filling out your payment information, you're almost done. Agree to the terms and conditions and return policy. Then click Place Order, and that's it. Your purchase is complete. You will receive a confirmation email with further details regarding the shipment of your product. Shopping on the Enagic online store is that simple. No more waiting, no more forms, just fast, secure, and easy ordering. Visit enagic.com/shop today.